Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the next part of the topic fundamental quantities. In this part we are going to study about the first fundamental quantity, which is length. Okay, so what do you mean by length? So length is the distance between two objects. Say for example we are taking A and B. So the distance between A and B is known as length. Okay, so now let's study about the SI unit of length. So there are three types of units, which are FPS, the FPS system or the FPS unit, and next is the CGS system, the MKS system, and the SI system. So length has different units in these systems. So the SI unit of length or the unit of length in FPS, the unit of length in FPS is foot. So unit of length in SPS is called foot. So which is denoted by the F. Now the unit of length in CGS system is centimeter. So it is centimeter. Now the next is the MK system. So the unit of length in MK system is meter. Now the unit of length in SI system is also meter. So these are the unit of length in various systems. So I have said that the length is the distance between two objects. But there is one more thing related to distance, which is displacement. Okay, so what is the difference between distance and displacement? So distance. So we'll be denoting it by d. That is equal to distance. Speed, which is denoted s into time, t. Now what is displacement? So displacement, so that is d with an arrow. So why did I put this arrow? I will explain it later. So displacement. Now displacement is velocity. Now velocity also, I'll put an arrow here. V arrow. Velocity into time, which is t itself. So this is distance and displacement. Okay, so what is the difference between distance and displacement? Distance is the path or the length between. So both are equally same. Now distance is the length between A and B. So how can we go from A to B? We can go like this, we can go like this, or we can also go like this. So in multiple ways we can go to A and B. So that is distance. But displacement is the shortest path between A and B, which is this straight line. So that is the main difference between distance and displacement. Now why did I put this arrow here? This is because displacement has a direction. So velocity has also a direction. So why do we say that it has a direction? Because it is a vector quantity. So what is a vector quantity? A vector quantity is a quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude is, for example, displacement is 5 meter. So the magnitude is 5 meter. Now direction is where? Displacement 5 meter to east. 5 meter to east. So what does that mean? 5 meter to the right side. So that is displacement. It has both direction. But distance is 5 meter. Whether it's east, west, north or south, it doesn't matter. But a displacement, direction matter. So that is a vector quantity. So displacement and velocity is also a vector quantity. So distance is a scalar quantity, which means it has only a magnitude. But displacement and velocity is a vector quantity. So vector quantity are denoted. For denoting the direction, we put an arrow here. So these are the main things related to length. Thank you.